Action.
Welcome back to the video, guys, and today this is a special topic. To be honest, I like this topic so much. Today we'll be talking about how to create offers that people cannot refuse. To be honest, I started studying how to create irresistible offers and offers that people cannot refuse a few years back, and it has totally changed my life. Literally, like, once you master this, people are literally going to beg you for your product, and this is something I do every single time, and it makes me a lot of money. So today, for the first time, I'm going to be exposing how I use this to make a lot of money. I'm telling you, I've used this method I'm about to share with you to make over $1 billion in sales, and it has really helped me and my business totally. So the first but not the least, the first, right, is it all starts with research, guys. To be honest, you cannot escape this part. How do you spell research again? Let me try again. Research. Yeah. So remember, you need to find your ideal audience. Remember that other guy that we talked about in the other class, John. All right. Research John. Okay. How old is John? Where does John live? What does John like? What does John dislike? What are his problems? What are his pains? What makes John happy? What makes John sad? What are his desires? Now, you should know that when you're now trying to present a product to John, let's call this product A. If you're trying to present a product to John, right, what has to be in that particular product are things that is suitable for John's age. It's useful for him in terms of where he lives. You don't want to sell I'm trying to think about what they use in these places where there's ice. Okay, let's say you don't want to sell a ice scraper to John that lives in Nigeria. It does not make any sense because we don't have ice here. You want to sell something that John likes. You don't want to sell something that John dislikes. You want to sell something that solves a problem for John and helps him cure a burning pain. You want to sell something that makes John happy. You don't want to sell something that makes John sad. And you want to sell something that helps John achieve a particular desire in the future. But it all starts with your research, right? Once you've gotten people call it this your avatar. That's what they like to call it. But me, I don't like to name it anything and just John for me. Okay, so that's John, right? So if you can research a lot about John, many times than not, you find yourself having, how do I put it now? You find it easy for you to communicate to John because you understand all these things that John is looking for. Now, number two is that just lost my script right away. Okay, today is day 26. Solve an actual problem. So let's think about John's dad. And let's call John's dad James. Now, let's go with all these parameters, okay? James is 60 years old. All right. James lives in Canada. James likes women. All right. What does he dislike? I don't know what he dislikes. He has a problem. Okay. He cannot get an erection. Okay. And what does that cause him? It causes him to not be with women. So that's the pain attached to it. All right. And let me see. Where did I even write here? So what makes him happy? An erection. What makes him sad? The same thing. So his desire is to be able to have good sex again. It's very simple to know the product that this guy is going to like now. What he's going to like is something, maybe a sexual stimulant cream for 50 plus men. So you want to tell me that if I take this product to this guy, let's call this product B. If I take this product to John's father, you don't tell me that he's not going to buy it. You don't tell me that if I take this product to John's father is going to tell me that I'm trying to rape him off. No, because he has a burning problem that he cannot solve. But of course, it doesn't have to be sexual, or it doesn't have to be around sex and those kind of things. Sex is just a different niche that we have, like, really, when it comes to health, right? Health is a very good niche. If you can find a very good product that solves the burning desire in health, trust me, people are literally going to throw money at you. I'm talking about diabetes, I'm talking about tile, talking about, so there are so many products like that. I can't remember most of them off the top of my head, but you know, as long as it's a burning problem, yes, poverty is a burning problem. Okay, that's the one that John might be suffering from since he's still young. If you can have a product that can eradicate poverty, you know, you can help him get financially free and help him make $10,000, you know, in the next 3 months. And you have enough social proof to back it up, John is going to throw money at you because you're solving a burning problem. And let me just give you guys this tip. It's very, very easy to find burning problems in these niches: health, wealth, and relationship. So this is usually health and fitness, this is usually wealth and finance, and this is relationship. So these 3 niches literally make the world go round. So this is around anything that helps if somebody gets healthy, which is a burning desire, helps you make money, you need money to live life, help relationship, people like companion. So as long as you're in these 3 niches, you usually be able to find good products that. So the third thing you have to understand is that you have to make your offer clear. Now, this one is very funny because most times I see a lot of people who are just starting to put out offers out there. What they do is, if you buy this program or if you buy my product today, here's what you're going to get: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. To you, as the person that put out this offer together, you're like, it is the best offer because it has these whole things inside it and all that. But when you get to number 13, right, John has forgotten what you are offering me in number 2. So your offer has to be clear and simple. It has to be clear and simple. How are we going to help? Imagine I was going to this product, as good as it is, as good as it looks to Mr. James now, for instance, this particular product. If I come and say, okay, this product is going to help you, it's going to help you get your kidney better, it's going to help you increase your blood flow, it's going to help you, let's say, you know, it's going to help you have a very high rate of metabolism, it's going to help you last longer, it's going to help you get those girls, it's going to help you do this, it's going to help you do. At the end of the day, what this guy just wants is an erection. So if you cannot tell him that, okay, it will increase your blood flow, 1, it's going to give you XYZ, 2, it's going to give you XYZ, 3, finish, buy now, you know, bring money, simple. But if you and it's easier to remember 1, 2, 3 than to remember 1 to 13. I used to make this mistake when I just started out that time. I'll be like, in the main offer, you're going to get these 6 things. But added to this 16, you're going to get my 20 other bonuses. In the bonuses, you're going to get bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, down to bonus 20. By the time I'm mentioning bonus 19, the main offer, which is even going to be the reason why a lot of people they've forgotten about it. So I have to start reiterating. And this thing alone now can even make the person pissed off, because this guy is confused. But if you just make your offer simple and be like, okay, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get A, you're going to get B, you're going to get C. A, B, C all together is going to help you get what? The result you want. Result what? Let's call this result E, which is whatever it is in your mind now. You get? So you have to make your offer clear and simple. Don't chunk it with bonuses. And if you're going to add bonuses, right, make sure that the bonuses complement the main offer. Now, let me give you an example. If the main offer here is that you're going to give him that particular tablet that is going to help him increase erection, right? You can even say, okay, as a bonus, all right, I'm going to give you a kit, to help you increase your sexual experience. So not only does he get the erection, he gets a bonus kit that helps him increase his sexual experience. All right. Now there's where I'll talk about how to use bonuses in this video, but let's just like skip it for now so that I don't ruin the surprise. Now number 4 is that you need to always use testimonials, because testimonials are just the proof that it works. All right. So if you don't have testimonials right now, it's okay for you to give out your product for free for a while, and give out your services for a while. Let people get genuine feedback from people, so that you can show other people okay, this is what other people are saying, because we are social animals as human beings. There's something called the bandwagon effect, where human beings behave a certain kind of way because other people are behaving that particular way. So it's okay for you to use testimonials sometimes, all the time basically. In fact, you must always use testimonials, because that's the only way for you to prove that what you're saying works. Now number 5 is that always add urgency and scarcity. If there is any product you have out there right now that you are trying to sell, and there is no reason why they should buy now, they will not buy now. They will not buy now. So one way to create urgency and scarcity, or some ways you can create urgency and scarcity, is that you can do a countdown. All right, you can do a countdown. You can use a countdown. This works like super well. But most people don't understand these days that most of all these countdown are fake, especially if it's an evergreen offer, an offer that you run every single time. You can also remove bonuses. So if you are putting a bonus in a product, you're not putting the bonus in the product because you just want to put a bonus. You are putting it in the product to complement the main offer, and so that you put the bonus in such a way by you're trying to tell them that without this bonus, in fact, this main offer will not work. So they have to buy it now so that they get the main offer together with the bonus, so that it makes the main offer work much more properly. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you remove the bonus. Or number 3, you just do both the countdown plus remove bonus. So you add the both of them. So once you can add the both of them, it's usually like way stronger than all of them. So that's the way you can do it. If you can create urgency and scarcity, or let me see, you limit entry. But this particular one, I don't really like to use it so much because it limits the amount of money you make at the end of the day. So if you're limiting entry and say 10 slots, the countdown might not even be over. But because you've said 10 slots and you have to stand by what you say as a marketer, you can't go back on your word. If not, people are going to see you as a fluke. Then, number 6, I've already gave that one away. Use bonuses to make it better. Alright, I've already literally explained that one inside it. So basically, any bonus you're giving out has to make the main offer better. Then, last but not the least, take away risk. Alright, the reason why people will not spend money right now is because they see it as a big risk. So if you can take away the risk by doing something like, let's say, a money back guarantee, so it makes them feel safer. You can also do, people like to do a conditional guarantee. So you have to meet a particular condition to get the guarantee. Personally, I like a conditional guarantee because I sell make money online products, and I know that most people who come online to buy make money online products are not usually very serious. So for my own safety, I have a conditional guarantee where I tell them that, okay, you have to implement for X amount of days, or you have to do X amount of activities in order for you to qualify for it. So yeah, that's how you make your offer better. If you can infuse all these things, man, just think about it like in your own niche and all this kind of things. It's going to totally change your life. It's going to totally change your life. And I hope you guys have gotten value from this video. So what I want you guys to do now is I want you guys to go home and try to craft an irresistible offer using all these things that I've told you. Right? Research about who you're talking to. If you're a graphic designer, who is your ideal client? Who is the person that you want to be talking to the most? If you're selling an affiliate marketing course, if you're doing e-commerce, if you're doing drop shipping, who are the people that you want to ultimately sell? Who is that person that if your product lands in his doorstep today, he's buying immediately? That is who you have to research. Your ideal customer, for me, is John. Number 2, make sure the product you're selling solves a burning problem or desire. All right. Number 3, make your offer clear and simple. Number 4, always use testimonials. And number 5, impute urgency and scarcity. You can easily do this using bonuses, using countdown, using limited entries and stuff like that. And number 7, use bonuses all the time. And number 6, use bonuses all the time. And number 7, take away the risk from them. Let me tell you, one of the ways that people normally take for those of you that are not into digital products, one way to take away risk is to use pay on delivery. All right, some people do this, so I just decided to add that in. So see you guys in the next video. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. See you guys soon.